Hi there, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I will show you how to delete Word document page. You can select entire page or you can delete particular page. It's very easy. Even I will show you the shortcut key to how to delete this. If you try to delete one by one, it will take a lot of time. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm going to select this and then we need to press the delete button, and sometime it will disturb your formatting of your Word document. So you'll forget about all this thing. I will show you the easiest and best thing to delete particular page from Word document by using easy keyboard shortcut key. Let's start. So keep the cursor here. I am right now in the page 3. As you can see here, this is the page 3. So I want to delete the page 3. Keep the cursor in the page 3 and just press Ctrl G. Don't be confused. Keep the cursor on the page and now press Ctrl G. Here enter the page number box. Just type backslash and type page like this, okay, and hit enter. Boom. Now you can press escape button to cancel this, or you can simply close. Okay, so the page 3 is selected now. Now you just need to hit the delete button and boom, that's it. I'll show again, don't be confused. Keep the cursor on the page, press Ctrl G and here type backslash and type page and hit enter, and now you can see the entire page is selected. Now just we need to hit the delete button and that's it. Boom. So this is the way to delete your page from your Word document without disturbing any formatting, and you can use a shortcut key like Ctrl G. So thank you very much. I would like to say thanks to my all subscriber. I have completed 10,000 subscriber. So thank you very much for your kind support, your suggestion and your comments, liking. Thank you very much. See you in next video.